Welcome back to our channel, Gizmo Fixers. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use a USB drive with your Samsung TV. This can be really handy for watching your favorite movies, viewing photos, or even listening to music right on your big screen. So let's get started. Step 1. Preparing your USB drive. The first step is to prepare your USB drive. Make sure it's formatted in a compatible file system like FAT32 or exFAT. If it's not, you might need to reformat it. Also, ensure that your USB drive contains the media files you want to use with your TV. Step 2. Connecting the USB drive. Now let's connect the USB drive to your Samsung TV. Find the USB port on your TV. It's usually located on the side or back. Insert your USB drive securely into the port. Step 3. Accessing the USB drive. Next, grab your Samsung TV remote and turn on the TV. Press the source or input button to select the USB source. You should see the USB drive listed there. Select it, and your TV will access the content on the drive. Step 4. Browsing and playing media. Once your USB drive is recognized, you can navigate through your files using the TV remote. You can use the directional buttons to scroll through folders and files. To play a video, view photos, or listen to music, simply click on the file you want. Step 5. Controlling playback. During playback, you can pause, rewind, fast forward, and adjust the volume using your TV remote. Enjoy your media on the big screen with ease. And there you have it. Using a USB drive with your Samsung TV is a simple way to enjoy your digital content on a larger display. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.